Greetings, 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 and welcome or welcome back to this channel where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. We're doing a series on parables. I'm hope you have ears and can listen good for hear what God has say. Yeah. Now, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with as many people as you can. And if you don't do it yet, may I invite you now to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 18 from verse 10 to verse 14. Make sure say you no look down upon none of them little picnic. Cause me tell you this, them have them own angel. And for them angel way in heaven, I see my father face all the time. When you think, suppose somebody own 100 sheep and one of them lost. Him now go left the 99 on the mountaintop and go look for the one we lost. And if he find the sheep, me I tell you this, him happy about the 99 when he in tree. But he would have more happy about that one day when he find back. I see him so. When the father way in heaven, no one day little one ya figure three. A God what this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.